Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to introduce you all to our wonderful guest, Mr. Shekhar Gaud. On 24 December 2006, the most unfortunate incident occurred, causing him extreme disabilities. However, in spite of all these ups and downs in his life, he did not give up on life and pursued sports to rebuild his confidence. He became a motivation for people. His first attempt at sports was in 2014 when he ran for an Airtel marathon for 5 kilometers with Jaipur. After he completed that marathon, he was sponsored by Dakshin Rehabilitation Center of Hyderabad for his walking lead and running blade. Since then, he has participated in 26 running events and various cycling races and rides. He did not stop there and continued to excel in rock climbing, cave walk, swimming, and badminton. Vikram has never let these circumstances get the better of him. He's overcome many challenges just by determination and hard work. We want to say that we admire you and we thank you for being here with us today. With this, we would like to welcome onto the dais Mr. Shekhar Gaud.
सभी को नमस्कार निखिलेश्वर आनंद जी की नमस्कार एंड गोपी चंद जी एंड किरण बेड़ी मैडम जी एंड मानसी जोशी एंड अर्णिमा सिन्हा एंड शरद सागर जी सभी को नमस्कार आई एम ग्लैड टू बी हियर in front of you all talking with you and Swamiji said you're the creator of your own destiny. Yes, I'm the creator for my own destiny. I proved it. 2006 December 24 एक करंट शॉक की वजह से मेरा राइट हैंड एंड लेफ्ट लेग बिलो नी तक और राइट फुट टोस एंड बॉटम चले गया. इसके बाद मैंने बहुत स्ट्रगल हुआ था. जब मैंने हैदराबाद आया 2014 में, जब मैंने एक दक्षिण रिहेबिलिटेशन से जुड़ा हुआ, वहाँ से एक मैराथन स्टार्ट किया था. वो मैराथन्स करते करते उधर ही काम करना शुरू किया था. उसी टाइम में मुझे एक इनविटेशन आया था रामकृष्ण मठ से, वही 2015 जनवरी 12 द यूथ एनुअल डे दिन में. उसी दिन से जब मैंने वहां गया था, दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट स्पीच in front of thousands plus people. The day I motivated after listening Swami Vivekananda's quotes and संदेश, वहां से शुरू करके मैंने बहुत सारे कर चुका हूँ मैं अभी तक. ताकि 5 किलोमीटर्स रनिंग इवेंट्स कर चुका हूँ मैंने और 21 किलोमीटर हाफ मैराथन कर चुका हूँ. 2019 तक मैंने 2019 तक मैंने 18 रनिंग इवेंट्स कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ मैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया. एंड not only that, I didn't stop at that place. I started cycling and I participated 200 kilometer cycling with HBC Biking Club. But I didn't complete 200 kilometers. At that time, I completed 166 kilometers, but I never stopped. I started again and again. One final day, I completed 200 kilometers cycling. In that time, why don't I do cycling from Kardungla to Kanyakumari? Many people are starting going by bikes and cars, and that polluting the environment. So why don't I go by cycling and spread the Swamiji's message? So that I put a dream and I initiated it and I proved it. I started 25th October in 2016 from Khardungla to Kanyakumari. I completed in December 28th, 2016, 4,100 kilometers solo cycling, and that was the first triple empty from the India who had completed Kashmir to Kanyakumari cycling. And after that, I didn't stop at the running and cycling. Swamiji said, "Arise, awake, don't stop until reach your goals." That makes me proud. That makes me motivated me. So that's why I started again. Why don't I do swimming? I started swimming. I played badminton, and I started mountaineering also. First, 2018, I went Everest Base Camp. After that, I went Mount Elbrus. and Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Aconcagua. These three peaks are I climbed. While climbing Mount Elbrus, that was my first snow journey. After that snow journey में मुझे ये है कि अरे इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ मुझे जब चलने के लिए, क्योंकि जो आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब पहनने के बाद चलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि और दूसरा फुट भी मेरा बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी, बहुत मुश्किल होता। मगर मेरा ड्रीम इम्पोर्टेंट है और मैं ड्रीम के बारे में सोचते सोचते मैं स्वामी जी को ध्यान करते करते मैंने माउंट एल्ब्रस के ऊपर मैंने पहुंच गया। वहाँ हमारा विवेकानंदा जी का और शारदा माता का रामकृष्ण प्रभु का फोटो ऐसा होस्टिंग किया था वहाँ। तब मुझे कितना खुश हुआ था। दैट डे आई फील बहुत अच्छा से फील किया था मैंने। आफ्टर दैट मैं किलिमंजारो भी किया था। एंड आई मुझे जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था उस टाइम में बहुत लोग बोला, जो अरुणिमा सिन्हा जी ने बोला था, सब लोग हम लोग को डिसअपॉइंट करते हैं। यस, वी आर डिसेबल बट नॉट ओनली फॉर बॉडी, बॉडी ओनली, बॉडी इज डिसेबल बट नॉट माय माइंड। माय माइंड इज active, so we can do anything. Yes, I'm doing more, equal to normal person, so that makes me happy. And at the same time I want to bring many people to in my life, like my people. And Swamiji said don't stop at one place, should you should move on and create your own destiny. So that makes me happy. I started and doing all these things. And my dream is I want to climb Mount Everest. I definitely one day I'll hosting हमारा Indian flag and Swami Vivekananda ji ka flag on top of Mount Everest. I'm sure definitely I will do it. And um, not only this, and at the same time I'm arranging everything. I'm working for some private organization, and at the same time practicing myself and doing myself. And this is not only my life. I have to survive in the normal society. So that only my definition is don't stop at one place and never give up in your life. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.